Hello all, welcome back to the channel. Okay, we are doing a stretch breaks for sitting in a car as a passenger, that is. Okay, so your passenger, these are some stretches that you can do to help you so you're not stiff and tired in the car. So we're going to work the feet. This is part two actually. We're going to just lift the foot and just stretch out those legs. Just a little flex and extend of the knee. That feels great because I know for myself, if I'm sitting long, my knees start hurting when they're flexed. So just stretch it out. Stretch it out as much as you can, right? I know sometimes space is limited. Okay, and then I do have people joining me in the background. So we're gonna pump the ankle. And I have people on Zoom now joining me in the car, literally. So they're doing these stretches in the car. Yay! So I'll give Samantha a shout out. Hi, Samantha.
Thank you.
Okay. And now we're going to do ankle circles. Very nice. And then the other way, even if the knee is flexed, that's fine. You could do circles. And release that down. Let's do the other side. Little knee flexion extension here. Stretch it out as much as you can in the car. I know sometimes you have to put the seat back more, but hopefully no one's in the back where you're crushing them. So do the best you can with straightening out those legs. It will help with the knees. So this is for anyone, whether you're in a plane, trains, automobiles. Sometimes the knee flex for such a long time is very uncomfortable and can be painful. So just straighten out those legs, flex, and it helps. So staying here, we're going to pump at the ankle. Yummy, 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 delicious. And then circle it. Crack, crack. Ah, so good. And then we're going to go the other way. All right, and release. Rub it out, and you can do that as well. Rub your thighs. Tap out. Yum, yum, yum. All right, I hope this helps too. Get more circulation in those legs from sitting, right? Driving, the passenger in the car. Alright, so I look forward to seeing you again in the next one. Make sure you hit the like button. Consider subscribing if you haven't. Do share if you think people can benefit. And head on over to glorifiedbodiesfitness.com because we now offer memberships. Hundreds of videos, stretches, and workouts that you can customize yourself. And there's recipes. There's recipe of the month. There's the actual video showing you how to make these recipes. So check out all the benefits you get, and I will see you in the next one. Ta-ta for now.